Hi, I'm Rowan. I live in Helenswood in Bangor, and I've recently got some solar panels from Encom. I thought about solar because I like tech, and also anything that I can do to reduce my bills is a win-win for everyone. I went with Encom because after getting a range of quotes, you guys impressed me the most. Working with Encom was so easy. It was just an email to get a quote, a call back to get a visit booked, and then quick and easy answers to any email queries I had, and a very short time frame from booking to installation. Yes, I would recommend Encom to friends and businesses because, as I said, they were the most impressive people when giving out quotes and easy to deal with. The display behind me is to fundraise for the air ambulance. I guess it was another reason to consider solar because obviously for a month of the year I do increase my energy bills. But this is my third year for the air ambulance and hoping for another record-breaking donation.